Hello guys, today is a very special day and you may be wondering why is that? Well, it's not because of the phone I have in front of me, it's because I'm finally recording videos on my S21. So this is the best my videos will ever look. And I am also in a completely different room with a nice white background and lighting so you can actually see the product in front of you. Exciting. Anyway, so we are unboxing the Motorola Moto Edge Plus. And you may be thinking, why do I have this? Didn't I just get like an S21? Yes. Well, the reason is because my dad got this phone and I'm unboxing it. And he actually got it for a pretty good deal. Because right now, if you live in Canada, on Fido, they have a deal where this phone is only $15 a month for 24 months. So that's $360 over 2 years. And of course, you have to buy a plan on top of that. I believe the cheapest plan they have was like maybe $30, $40, something like that. I don't know. He got the $50 plan, so that's like $65 a month. So, decent for a phone that came out around, I believe, April 2020. Yeah. Anyway, enough with the boring prices and whatnot. Let's look at the box. So it says Moto Edge Plus. On the left side, nothing. Top, nothing. Right side, it says Motorola. And I took the seal off because, well, yeah, I didn't want to. I didn't want to bother with breaking the seal on camera. Bottom, stuff I won't show. And it also says we got the 128GB model in gray, black, blue, something like that. We'll see the color in a second. Bottom, we have, it just says, we're going to zoom in a bit, Motorola Edge Plus. Includes the phone, turbocharger, USB-C cable, guidebook, SIM card pin, certain features, blah, 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 recyclable, made by Motorola, Qualcomm, blah, blah, blah. Let's open the phone. Okay, so we are just gonna lift it up, and voila. Whoa, that's a big phone. That is a big phone. And we're gonna lift it up from here, trying to be as careful as possible. Put that to the side, and look at the pamphlets here. Put that over there. Open the pamphlets. Oh, SIM eject tool. Oh, it looks like the iPhone would, except the little needle part is on the right side. Anyway, what else we got in here? Read me. No, thank you. Okay. We have a USB-C charger. I think we have like a bajillion of these, so I'm just gonna put that back. And the turbocharger, which charges at about, I'm not actually sure what wattage this is, but I will add it in later on the screen somewhere so you guys will know. Anyway, enough with the pamphlets and the charging cables that every phone has, except for Samsung phones. Anyway, and let's unwrap this. Woo! This is a nice looking phone. I will not lie. It is a nice looking phone. Whoa! Wow. It is a big phone too. Jeez, this is a tall boy. So on the back we have the Motorola logo right here. I think this has an optical fingerprint scanner. I was a bit confused because I thought this was like the fingerprint scanner, but it's not. We have a triple camera layout, the dual flash, and above it, okay, focus. Hey, there you go. We have, I believe these are to help focus when using the 100 megapixel mode. And right here it says 13-81 millimeters, something like that. Yeah, dual, and it also says dual OIS, so dual optical image stabilization. And yeah, this phone is very curved too. It's nice. Whoa, what is that? Oh my god, a headphone jack in 2021. What does this world come to? On the left side we have nothing. Bottom we have a SIM card slot. We can't really see it too well. There we go. USB-C speaker, and we have a power button and a volume rocker right above that. So let's boot this baby up and see how nice this phone is. Whoa, blue Motorola logo. That looks really nice actually. Oh, it vibrated. Just waiting for it to boot up. Get rid of this ugliness in the back. Whoa, Edge Plus. Hello there. And that's the phone. Let's click start. And this is actually the perfect way to check the bezels out, because this phone looks quite similar to another phone released by another company. And I just want to do a quick comparison. This phone looks quite similar to a Galaxy S10, which I have right here. I mean, they both have curved screens, they both have minimal bezels, and they both have hole punch cameras. Granted, this phone came out a year after the S10, but yeah, and the hole punch is smaller on the Motorola. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and maybe I'll do a review on this or more videos on it. Most likely not, because it's not my phone, but yeah. And wow, yeah, the curve is quite intense. Like, it's more than the one on S10, so, it's very big and tall. But it doesn't feel too bad, like, to hold. But the corners are a bit, interesting. And it's kind of a thick phone, too. Not gonna lie. Anyway, oh wow, the light reflects very nicely off. Anyway, that has the video. Thank you guys for watching once again. I'll see you next time.